Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Tower. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing an issue where the screen on your Lenovo Tower flops backwards on its own, you're not alone. This problem is usually caused by a faulty hinge mechanism or worn-out support brackets that fail to hold the screen in place. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage to the screen or even internal components, so it's important to resolve it promptly. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement hinge, and a pair of tweezers. Begin by safely opening your Lenovo Tower. First, ensure that the device is powered off and unplugged. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the tower. Once all screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using the flathead screwdriver. Take care to avoid damaging any clips or connectors as you do this. Next, locate the hinge mechanism, which is usually situated near the top of the device. You can identify it by checking for the area that connects the screen to the base. If it's loose or visibly damaged, it's likely the source of the issue. To extract the faulty hinge, carefully disconnect any cables connected to it, noting where each one goes. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the hinge in place, applying steady pressure but not too much force to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the hinge away from the device. Replace it with the new hinge, ensuring it is positioned correctly before securing it with the screws. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are seated properly to avoid any future issues. Before closing up the device, double-check that everything is secure and that no components are pinched or misaligned. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back cover onto the device and reinsert the screws, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could cause damage. Lastly, power on your Lenovo Tower to verify that the screen is now functioning correctly and remains in the desired position without flopping backwards. To prevent this problem from recurring, avoid placing excessive weight on the screen when it's open, and regularly check for any signs of wear in the hinge area. Keeping your device clean and well-maintained will also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.